So today we're going to be looking at how to install a image on a Cisco switch if you are in the boot up prompt, the ROMMON setup. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be booting from a USB drive. Here you can see that I am actually just making sure that the USB drive is there and the image is there. When you plug this USB drive in, it has to be flashed to a FAT32. If you have some other formatting, the system will not recognize it. So make sure you have that set up. So once you have that set up, you should be able to actually get into your switch in the version that you're on, but it's not actually on the switch right now. You actually have to go into your boot flash and see if it's there. As you can see, it's not even present right now because it's not actually written. So we actually have to actually install this onto the switch. So we're going to go into our USB drive again, just make sure the image is there, and then we're going to do a copy command and actually copy from that USB flash drive with the image that's on that. Just copy that real quick, and then we're going to do a commit, which is going to be booting it from flash and saving it. What this is going to do is actually save it so it's written actually on the switch itself. Once that's done, you should be able to see that it is actually on the switch. That was that very first line there. From this point, we should be able to actually boot from the switch. So we need to activate that. So we need to commit this to memory. So we're going to be doing an actual install right now. So what you're actually going to be doing is activating that image, and then you're actually going to be saying you're going to boot from that image on the next boot up. So just hit yes if you get prompted for it, and then this will take a little bit of time, but it'll go through, and then the next time you boot up, you'll actually have the image installed on your machine, and if you do a DIR, you'll actually see all of the packages that are installed on your switch.